I get this question all the time from microblading and ombre brow artists, how to map eyebrows correctly. In this video, I will show you a perfect solution. If you are a beginner in mapping and want to learn 5 different techniques and how to map oval, square, long and many other face shapes, then stay till the end to know how to become a master in eyebrow mapping. For the best microblading, shading, permanent makeup treatment or training and business mentoring advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. Hi, I am Tayyiba, a permanent makeup microblading artist, trainer and PMU business coach at Soft Touch Studio and Academy. I have received a Permanent Makeup Specialist Award in the year 2018 by Oceanic Events in Toronto and have hundreds of happy clients and students. If you want to know how to do mapping with string, then watch this video. I will be explaining everything in detail. Let's start. Which technique do you use for eyebrow mapping? Let me know in the comments. Now you know exactly how to map eyebrows with string, but do you know how to map with golden ratio or create symmetry for long, oval, square or any other face shape? To help you, I have created a brow mapping course explaining all about correct shaping with golden ratio, string and pencil, and a bonus video of full microblading procedure. For more information and to register, click the link in the description. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friend and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. If you have any questions about mapping technique or training, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.